Welcome to ARC Gadgets. Here we have the Oppo A79 5G. Let's take a quick look at the specs and features of this device. Display. The display is a 6.72 inches LCD screen with full HD resolution and up to 90 Hz refresh rate and 96% NTSC color gamut. This screen comes with Panda cover glass protection right out of the box. Camera. The dual rear camera setup has a 50 megapixels main camera and a 2 megapixels secondary camera. The front has an 8 megapixel selfie camera. Performance. The phone runs on Color OS 13.1 with 8 cores CPU and Mali G57 GPU. There are 3 RAM and internal storage capacities, a 4GB RAM paired with a 128GB ROM, an 8GB RAM paired with a 128GB ROM, then an 8GB RAM paired with 256GB ROM. Battery. The battery is a 5000 mAh battery that supports 33 watts fast charge. Biometrics. There are fingerprint sensor and facial recognition for security. Body design. The Oppo A79 have dimensions of 165.6 by 76 mm and weighs 193 grams. It has a dual nano SIM slot, a USB Type-C port and a headphone jack. Here's what you get in the box. The phone, a USB Type-C cable, a charger, a SIM ejector tool, a protective case, user manual and warranty card. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.